Greeting, brave adventurers. I am the apprentice, and today I will be your guide into everything that is beards, but we are going to be answering some interesting questions today. There is one particular one that may be on many people's minds, and so I will do my best to alleviate. You see, today we are to delve into the question that has troubled many warriors, many wizards, many manners of fantastic beings of ages, and the question is, should you touch your beard?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Now, my friends, this is no easy question to answer. You see, for some, a beard is a symbol of strength. It is a symbol of pride, and for others, it can be a burden, a nuisance for constant trimming and grooming. Now, no matter where you fall on this spectrum, you must understand that a beard can be a powerful weapon in a battle of facial hair supremacy. And like all powerful weapons, you must understand that a beard must be handled with care. You see, a poison dart can easily slay a dragon, just as easy as grubby hands can destroy and stop the growth process for your facial hair. But fear not. There is some simple things that you can do to keep your beard in tip-top shape. The key, my friends, as I always say, is moderation. Yes, you can touch and groom your facial hair while you are styling it, but if there is an excess of touching of your facial hair, you may find that you are slowly destroying it over time. Now, if you still find that your beard is plagued by dandruff, as well as unruly growth, fear not. There are many potions and elixirs and, well, many tonics that can help the growth process of your facial hair. Oils, balms, and other magical tonics can be used to help keep your beard soft, supple, and free from the ravages of time. So there you have it, my friends, a brief lesson in the subtle art of the bearded touch. You must remember that a beard is a very important weapon in the battle of facial hair supremacy, so if you know how to handle it and take care of it, then you will be on the right path. Thank you, adventurers, for your constant encouragement and help in the community. We very much appreciate everything that you do for us, and we are always willing to give back to you. If you have not yet, we would love it if you subscribe to our channel so then you would be notified whenever we do post new content. Anything that is beard-related, story-related, and just anything magical, we would love to share with you. Adventurers, as always, may your beards be forever blessed, in fortune forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.